are the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP, has released on Monday a revised list of candidates for 15 seats in the upcoming Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections 2024, and the new list has the names of candidates for first phase of polling in the Union Territory scheduled to be held on September 18. Remember, viewers, the list that was firstly released by the BJP for the Jammu and Kashmir polls was withdrawn hours later after its release, and now the new list with the phased fun candidates of the BJP for Jammu and Kashmir polls has been revised and released. The list comes minutes after the BJP withdrew its first list, which had 44 names of the candidates for all the three phases of voting in the UT. The list covers 7 seats in Kashmir and 8 seats in Jammu division of the UT. The prominent names released today include Shayyad Shokar Adrabi from Pampore, Arshid Bhatt from Rajpura, Sayyid Wazadar from Anantnag, Salim Bhatt from Banihal, Gajerana from Doda, and Veer Saraf from Shangush Anantnag East seat. Voting will be held in 3 phases in the Jammu and Kashmir beginning from September 18th. The 2 other rounds will be held on September 25th and October 1st. Results will be announced on October 4th. Among the total 90 assembly constituencies in the Union Territory, 74 are for the general category, 9 are reserved for the scheduled tribes, and 7 are reserved for the scheduled caste in the Union Territory. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Ajay Jandyal. Ajay, as we can now understand that the shake-up in the BJP unit of the Jammu and Kashmir has resulted into revising and re-releasing the list of candidates of the seats in Jammu and Kashmir for the BJP. What actually has led to it, and how exactly has the re-releasing of the list of 15 candidates resulted within the BJP cadre of the Jammu and Kashmir?
Well, you have used a very particular word for the BJP Jammu and Kashmir, because really it was shaken totally when the list of 44 candidates came out, and names of the former ministers, deputy CM, speakers, that was really was not there, and that indicates, and that basically make hue and cry in the party office as well, because we were sitting over here in the BJP party office, and that's why there was a major we can say that shake up here in the BJP office, and now the fresh list of 15 candidates has been released. I will read out 8 more names other than you have read the 7 of them. The 8 other names basically are the Sunil Salim Bhatt, who is from the Banihal Ramban, from Ramban district, which is basically open. Earlier it was a reserve, and now Rakesh Thakur will be a candidate from the BJP. Doda Best is Shakti Raj Parivar, who was a former minister and who won in 2014 as well, and Gajay Singh Rana, who has been given a ticket from Doda. That is one of a new name, which is definitely we can say that a change in the BJP's list. And Bhadrava, Dilip Singh Parihar, who is a former minister and MLA from the Bhadrava, he once again is repeated from the sitting from the same seat. Sunil Sharma, who was a senior leader of BJP, he got the ticket from Nagsani earlier. Padar, earlier he was from the Kishtwar, whereas from the Kishtwar town, the seat, the mandate has been given to Shagun Parihar. Shagun Parihar is a daughter of senior leader of BJP, Ajit Parihar, who was killed by the terrorist, and other than that, Indrapal, from Indrapal, Tariq Keen, who was defeated in 2014 on the BJP mandate, he was once again given seat, and other names you have already read, like from Shangus, Veer Saraf got the ticket. So now BJP haven't released all the name of the candidate, but our sources are saying that in next few days the new list of candidate from the for the second round of election, that will be released, and first list, which was of 44 candidate, that is totally withdrawn, because there is anger among the leaders, those who basically were born in 2014, like former ministers, former MLAs, because in that 44 names, most of the names were basically new. So that's what it was very surprising. We have with us Arvind Gupta, whose name basically came in the first list of 44, and he is going to fight from the Jammu West. Arvind ji, Mubarak ho. क्या सोचा था नाम के लिए, या बीजेपी में ये होता है कि अनसर्टेनिटी रहती है?
नहीं, बीजेपी में हमेशा होता है कि संगठन के लोगों को वो आगे लेके आते हैं। मैं अपने संगठन के अपने अध्यक्ष रविंदर रैना जी का, अशोक कोल जी का, तरुण चुग जी का, राम माधव जी का, जी कृष्णा रेड्डी जी का, सभी का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि उन्होंने एक ज़मीन से उठे हुए कार्यकर्ता को टिकट दी और लोगों का उससे विश्वास बढ़ता है और लोगों में एक कितना उत्साह है। जो इन्होंने लिस्ट निकाली है उससे मेरे को लगता है कि भाजपा 43 की 43 सीटें जीतेंगी और लोगों में इतना ज़्यादा उत्साह है और अब खुशी की लहर है जम्मू में जो इन्होंने कार्यकर्ताओं को टिकटें दी हैं।
जिम्मेदारी बहुत ज़्यादा होगी क्योंकि आपका लिस्ट में 44 की लिस्ट में नाम आया है, तो उम्मीद है कि जब दूसरी लिस्ट आएगी उसमें आपका नाम होगा। मगर आपके वहाँ पर पूर्व मंत्री जो जीते थे, जो सत शर्मा जी, उनको टिकट नहीं मिला है। लगता है कि बीच में कहीं विरोधाभास भी हो सकता है, उसका कोई नुकसान?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। सत जी मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह हैं। उन्हीं की ब्लेसिंग से जब मैं वो प्रदेश अध्यक्ष थे उनके साथ मैंने एज ए सह कोषाध्यक्ष काम किया। उन्होंने काम दिखाया हमें, काम उनसे मैंने काम सीखा। आज उन्हीं के लगाया हुआ पौधा आज बड़ा होके है, वो इससे खुश हैं। ऐसे मेरे को नहीं लगता कि साथ जी की कोई नाराज़गी होगी मेरे प्रति। और संगठन ने जब एक फैसला कर दिया, हम संगठन के लोग हैं, संगठन जो भी फैसला करेगा वो संगठन के सभी लोगों को मंजूर होगा।
ज़्यादातर नाम जो देखे जा रहे हैं, जो टिकट्स दिए जा रहे हैं, वो सारे नए नाम हैं। कैसे आप उसे देख रहे हैं? क्या लगता है कि ये पूरा रिवाइवल जो किया गया है, आप बड़े लंबे अरसे से बीजेपी के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, उसके पीछे की वजह क्या थी?
देखो, एक नए चेहरों को मौका दिया गया है। नया भाजपा, नया बीजेपी का फेस आएगा, नए लोग आएंगे। आपको एक आप मिशन को लेके चल रहे हो, उसमें नए लोगों को मौका दिया गया है। पुराने ये नहीं है कि पुराने लोगों को इग्नोर किया गया है। नए लोगों, नए चेहरों को मौका किया गया है। एक लोगों में उत्साह आए और एक नया उत्साह आने से नई बीजेपी का वो हो, तो इसलिए लोगों को नए लोगों को।
देख रहा था आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में सेलिब्रेशन भी शुरू हो गई है, आपको काफ़ी वहाँ पे रैलीज शुरू हो गई हैं आपके फेवर?
नहीं, उसमें क्या था कि जब लिस्ट निकली तो लोगों का जुमावड़ा अपने आप आना शुरू हो गया। आपने देखा होगा कि कितना उत्साह था लोगों में, लोग अपने आप आना शुरू हो गए। तो फिर एक हमने मंदिर माथा जाना था टेकने के लिए, हम वो डोल नगाड़े के साथ वो मंदिर माथा टेका और आगे उसमें बाकी कुछ भी जो पार्टी संगठन करेगा वो सब अच्छा ही होगा। ऐसी
शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। अरविंद गुप्ता, who clearly says that definitely BJP, whatever BJP do, that they do basically to ensure that all the seats will be won. So that's why that decision has been taken, and new faces, those who have been given mandate, they are going to ensure that they will win the seat and definitely ensure that government is formed here in the Jammu and Kashmir.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.